I'll do an updated video and see if I can notice a difference in my hair, how fast it grew. This is pure sake. There's no other. Next time like this, they're single use and use one capsule, and that would be guys, I'm going to buy alcohol. I've never bought alcohol before. So, I'm excited. We're here. Oh no, here's the alcohol. Oh. Is it here or is it here? It's both. This is beer. Okay, here we go. Here we go. I think this is kind of what I'm looking for here. This is what I need right here. I have never bought alcohol before, so I feel like I'm doing something not good. I just found they're called Soul Jazz Burger Chips. What is Soul Jazz? And there's only one left. What does that mean? We've got the stuff. So you guys, we got the wine, sake. And let's see if it has some kind of effect on the hair. So I'm doing some research, and it's saying that sake has crazy hair growth benefits. It says you can drink sake, warm sake, every night for hair growth, but I'm not doing it. Okay, it says Japanese people who drink a warm glass of sake every night before bed are said to have healthier hair and live longer. That might be true. Sake is so good for you, and if you don't know what sake is, it's Japanese wine made from fermented rice. And it says it's the magic. Japanese people believe sake is different from all other alcohols. It's only good for you. It helps you live longer, helps the body relax, it reduces stress. That's what alcohol does in general. The ingredients of sake contain adenosine, a component that is effective for hair growth. This component, called adenosine, is also included in commercially available hair restorers and hair tonics as a side effect. Because it improves blood circulation. It can be made for hair growth. You can drink sake. Sake has a great effect on hair growth and hair health, and also can be used, expected to be good for overall health and beauty. It is a Japanese beauty secret used for decades as they consume properly already. But must be consumed properly. It is important to note that if you drink it in the way that is harmful to your body, then it actually can have a negative effect. Right. Make sure Japanese people drink sake warm. This is cold. Drinking it, I'm not going to drink it, by the way. Unfortunately, this causes blood circulation. Right. So the circulation. Okay. But for topical use, it says to apply to your... It's just like... So, sake is rice. Fermented rice water. Not water. It's fermented rice. Yeah, it's fermented rice water. They let rice ferment, and then it turns into, like, alcohol. I'm gonna open it. The bottle's beautiful. Put it in now and then wash it out. It's supposed to make your hair ridiculously shiny too. Here's the thing. I'm gonna use this for like, I'm living in Japan now, by the way, now. I'll be here for the next, and I'm going to wash it out. I'm going to shampoo it. Then I'm going to put my favorite mask, which is the combination of these two. This is the Japanese, available on my website. You can buy this on my website. This is the Japanese glass hair mask. This went viral on the internet. I still have some left of mine. You can buy this directly from me. I have more bottles I can use if I don't have enough for my hair right now. This is a Japanese glass hair mask. It's so good. I mixed them actually. Both are available on my website. You can buy these directly from me and I'll ship them to you directly here from Japan. I'm trying to find the front of this. This is the Japanese and honey hair oil. And I'm going to put in here. Then I'm going to... Okay, so I'm going to use the rice wine. It's not really wine. It's like alcohol. I mean, I don't know what I'm talking about. It's fermented rice made alcohol. And then I'm gonna put, I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna put the rice, wine in my hair, let it sit. Then I'm going to shampoo and condition my hair. Yeah, I'm not gonna let alcohol sit in my hair. Then I'm gonna shampoo and condition my hair. Then I'm gonna deep condition. Then I'm gonna blow dry, straighten, all that. And I'm honestly just going to do this gig right here. Pour it on my head. Ooh, that feels nice. I can tell it's gonna do something. I can tell it's gonna do something. I poured the littlest, tiniest bit. I'm gonna do this long term, you guys. Like, eesh. I'm gonna, should I heat some up? Okay, so I'm gonna do this for about, before I wash it. I'll do this if I can put this in my hair. How fast it grew. This here something that way. There's no other ingredients in here. But essentially this is just like rice for rice. It's the same, like, sort of rice, it's something else. So, I'll also don't get on my clothes. Oh, it's running down my back. Okay. It's alright. I'm gonna get in the shower. So, I don't know, I'm gonna leave this in my hair for like 2 hours.
People without experiencing it myself, and it's like, God, why do we all have to suffer?
But another confession along with that is it is hard for me when you hear, like, to your point of that verse, it's all for God's glory. God is going to get glory out of this. And so I have asked him, like, why do you need all this glory?
Do you ask that?
Yeah, because isn't that a little bit, I can't understand why he needs it, because he created everything. Right. He's the God of the universe, and everything was formed in his image.
The glass hair mask. It's so good, you guys. It's literally everywhere, and it's so viral here in Japan right now. So I just put that mask in, and then I kept it in for about 2 hours, and then I wash it out with cold water, and here we are now. Look at my hair. These are also available on my website. These are heat protectant capsules. In Japan, heat protectant always comes like this, I've noticed. I've also used, this is also heat protectant capsules. Heat protectant in the States is usually a spray. In Japan, they're always little capsules. So I'm going to use these capsules. I've used them before. I also said, like I said, these are heat protectant capsules. I think I'm going to use this one today. They come like this. They're single use, and you use one. You use one capsule on your hair before you blow dry or straighten it. So you just snap, and that will be my, just put it in your hands, really warm it up. To blow dry my hair.
And it's not beautiful, but my father handed it to me to own, as I am handing it to you. We always joked, who knows, maybe one of us will need it. It will end its journey in the future. But I cannot leave this earth without passing it on.
Once again, you bother me when I'm all
guys' verdict is, I love it. I am now forever going to be putting sake in my hair. If you can't get a hold of sake, I'm pretty sure you can find sake. It's not just in Japan. But it's like fermented rice water. It's the same thing. It's the same idea. But my hair feels amazing. But my hair has been feeling amazing because I've been using Japanese. That hair mask has been doing wonders on my hair. And it's available on my website, the glass hair mask from Japan. It's been transforming my hair, especially if you guys have like thick, coarse hair. Oh my gosh, you're gonna love that hair mask because it just melts your hair. I also have the heat protectant capsules. These are available on my website. You can get them, I'll link them down below. A package of 2 you can get on my website right now for the price of 1. You can also get the hair mask for the price of 1 right now. I'll ship you 2 for the price of 1. Both available on my website. I can't ship sake, but you can find it, or you can make your own. You can just ferment rice yourself and then use the water. But I'll be using it on my hair for a long time, and I'll keep up and tell you guys I'll tell you guys the results. My hair feels amazing. But like I said, it's been feeling amazing since being in Japan and using that mask, that glass hair mask in the shower. But I love the way my scalp feels so clean from the rice wine, sake, and I love the results. Make sure you guys check out. You can get the mask directly from me. You can get the Japanese hair honey directly from me. I've been using since the past 4 weeks. It's been amazing. And the hair serums. These Japanese hair capsules, heat protectant. It's a cross between a serum and an oil. Capsules, all available on my website. And your hair will be glowing. So it's all available on my website. Thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Why not? I'm going back. I have a... My problem is going to 7-Eleven in the middle of the night to get snacks. It's worth it though. They're delicious. They're delicious. They're delicious and they're nutritious. See you guys in my next video. Go get my hair mask, the Japanese hair mask. I'll ship it to you directly from here in Japan. It's the real deal. It's not one of the fake ones on the internet. And your hair will be swinging for the holidays. See you guys in my next one. I'm gonna eat my snacks. It's like 1 o'clock in the morning right now. So yeah, see you guys in my next one. Bye.